Hi guys, for today's video, we shared another recipe of burger patty. Here is it guys. This morning, I get the heart of banana outside guys. This is my day in my life. Trying hard to speak English guys, no? Pero that's it. Because I upload it on my secret social media. Yeah, these are my ingredients guys. Magic syrup, the heart of the banana, oyster, and seasoning together with the egg. And mix it all together. This is it, the result. Wow, so very delicious guys. I wanna taste it now. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching.